Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create this automatic and colorful drop down in the Microsoft Excel. And as you can see here, when I change the option, so the color can be changed too. And how can we make it? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you will do, of course, you can open the Microsoft Excel and then you can prepare this table or the data first and also the option that you would like to present in this table. Next, I will block this data from the cell of age 12 until age 14. Then I will go into the data here, as you can see here, the data, and then you go into the data validation, click the data validation, and it will show you some option here. For the allow section, you can choose the list here, and after that the source, it means about the option that you would like to present. So I will drag this data from the cell of B11 until B13 and click OK. And this is the option that has been presented. But since we would like to adjust the color and following this option, then we will go into the home. Then don't forget to drag this data or block this data from the cell of G12 until the age 14. Then you can go to the conditional formatting. This time we need to add the rule for this table. Then you can choose the use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click here. Since we would like to create we would like to decide the done option will be changed to become green. So the first thing we would do is type the function first. You can click this section and type the equal. Then we will click the cell age 12. Then this is a little bit tricky. You better to remove this dollar first. And after that, you can give the equal again and type the value here or the word. Since the first option is done, then I will type done here. Give it, and this done can be covered by the open and close quotation mark. Then you can go to the format and choose the green color that indicates that this task has been done. And you can click what the color that you like here. Then just click OK and OK. Then I will do the same for the rest of this option. For the second one is the progress. Still, the cell of G12 until the age 14 still being dragged or being selected. Then I will go into the conditional formatting, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. And again, click the format value where this formula is true. Type the equal. Then select this cell again and remove this dollar. Go back and give it the equal and type the value. I will type in progress. And I will go into the format. Then choose, let's say I will choose the yellow over here. And OK. And hit the OK. And the last one is not the submitted. Still being dragged or being selected. And choose the conditional formatting, new rule, use to use formula to determine which cell to format, and going to type the function h12, remove the second dollar, then move the cursor back into the back of or behind of the 12 here, type the equal again, and type the open quotation, not submitted, close it with the quotation, hit the format, and let's say I will choose the orange here, and give it OK, and click OK. Then let's see the result. To start off, you can click this cell, then we will start to click, let's say, done, or this is in progress, and the not submitted one. That's all, guys. It is pretty interesting, right? So I hope you try this function and please practice it, because I believe that you will master this format and how to create this drop down automatically and full color. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to give the video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.